Today we study electric potential difference, electric potential and electric potential due to a point charge. Today we study concept of electric potential difference, electric potential due to a point charge. Expression for electric potential due to a point charge. ठीक है, तो what is electric potential difference? So let there is a charge Q at any point O, charge Q, ठीक है, तो there is a electric field around this image. Another charge what can experience electrostatic force. If we place a test charge in the vicinity of charge Q, or at any point near of the charge Q, they will experience electrostatic force. So when you place test charge at this, then this is repelled by this in the direction. When place charge this, then it is repelled in the direction. So this force reduces on going up from the charge and become zero at certain point. So point at which this charge does not experience any electrostatic force, which is infinite for this charge. Similarly, if I place this charge at this, then it experiences electrostatic force and it reduces and becomes zero at certain point. Similarly, in the direction, below this, there is a space around this charge in this, and the charge experiences electrostatic force. Or this force reduces on going away from the charge. ठीक है. So let any test charge is placed at point B. ठीक है. And B bring test charge Q0 from B to A. When we carry charge Q0 from B to A, then we do some work. When test charge is at point B, then we experience electrostatic force in the direction. If electric field at this point is E left, then electrostatic force experienced by test charge is Q0, which is away from the charge Q. Okay. When we bring charge Q0 from B to A, then you do work against this force. Okay. So let the amount of work done by you in bringing charge Q0 from B to A is W. Then amount of work done by you in bringing charge Q0 from B to A is W. Then amount of work by you in bringing the charge Q0 from B to A is W by Q0. Amount of work done by you in bringing one coulomb charge, the unit positive charge, from B to A is W by Q0. Okay. So this ratio is known as electric potential difference between point B and A. The amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from one point to another point inside the electric field is known as electric potential difference between those two points. Okay. So this is the electric potential difference. So that's electric potential difference between point A and B is electric potential is denoted by B. So let the potential at point A is VA and potential at point B is B. Okay. Then VA minus VB is equal to W by Q naught. B minus VB is W by Q. Okay. So what is electric potential difference, amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from one point to enter inside the electric field. Amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from one point to enter point inside the electric field is known as electric potential difference between those two points. ठीक है? तो this is your electric potential difference between point A and B. If in this case both points are at finite, both points are finite distance. ठीक है? If one point is at infinite, one point is at infinite, let B is at infinite, B tend to infinite, let B is at infinite. Okay? So if B is at infinite, so infinite is the point at which no electrostatic force acts, no field exists. So potential at this point will be 0. Potential at point B will be 0, but there is no electrostatic force, there is no electric field. So potential at this point is 0. So we can write this. So thus point P is at infinite. Point P is at infinite. So when you bring test of Q0 from infinite to point A, infinite to point A, and then you do some work against this repulsive force. ठीक है? At infinite no repulsive force, but when you come inside the field of this, then repulsive force begin to start. Repulsive force act on the tester. So you do what? In bringing this tester from infinite to point A. The later what done by you in bringing tester from infinite to point A is W. Then potential difference between point A and infinite become BA, B infinite. What done by you in bringing tester to 0 from infinite to point A is W. So write here W upon tester Q, upon tester Q. So this is BA minus B infinite is 0. B infinite is 0. So W by Q. W by Q. So potential at point A is equal to W by Q. Potential at this is A may be in point. So potential due to potential at any point inside the electric field is given by this equation. Potential at any point inside the electric field is given by this equation, where W is amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from infinite to that point, and Q0 is test. ठीक है? तो how you define electric potential at any point? Amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from infinite to any point inside the electric. Amount of work required to bring unit positive charge from infinite to any point inside the electric field is known as electric potential of that point. Electric potential of that point. So this is the ratio of amount of work required to bring any positive charge from infinite to certain point to the amount of charge bringing from infinite. To the amount of charge bringing from infinite. Okay. So this is your definition of electric potential. Okay. Now we find electric potential due to expression for electric potential due to a point charge. Now we find expression for electric potential due to a point charge. So to find electric potential at any point due to a point charge B find amount of power required to bring that charge from infinite to certain point. The later charge Q is placed at point O, and a charge Q naught is brought from infinite to any point P inside the electrode of inside the electric field produced by charge. So this is your infinite, and this charge Q0 is brought from infinite to point P. This point P is a distance r from the given charge Q. So to find electric potential at point P, we need what required to bring charge Q0, this charge Q0 from infinite to point P. So to find what, we break distance between infinite to point P into a small number of distance ds. So let distance of point A be x, and distance of point B from given charge Q is x plus ds. X plus ds. Then the amount of power required to bring test charge Q0 from B to A. We find amount of power required to bring test charge Q0 from B to A. ds is so small that force at A and B is same, and force at A, B and between AB is same. Okay. Force electricity code depends on distance. This reduces reciprocal square of distance. But distance, same distance is so small that we can take force between AB is constant and is equal to electricity force at point A. So amount of work required to bring Q charge from Q0 from B to A. So dW is equal to what is equal to a scalar product of force and displacement. Scalar product of force and displacement. The scalar product of force F ds cos theta. F ds cos theta. Force is away from the given charge. Force is away from the given charge. That is from A to B. And displacement is from B to A. Displacement is from B to A. So these two vectors are opposite. The angle between opposite vector is 180. So cos of 180. So F dx. So dW is equal to F dx. Cos of 180. So dW is equal to so dW is equal to F dx. F is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon x square. Electrostatic force on test charge Q0 at point A is given by this. This is your dx, and cos 180 is minus 1. Cos 180 is minus 1. So dW is equal to dW is equal to minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught upon x square dx. So this is the amount of work required to bring test charge from liquid. Test charge from liquid. Now we find net work in bringing test charge from infinite to point P. So to find total work in bringing test charge Q0 from infinite to point P, T break distance between infinite to point P into infinite number of small distances dx. Find work done for this displacement, this, okay, and so then so this becomes continuous addition from infinite to P. So continuous addition in mathematics is known as integration. So to find net work done in bringing test charge Q0 from infinite to point P, we integrate this work from infinite to P. This work from infinite to P, then we get net work done in bringing test charge Q0 from infinite to P. Okay. So net work done in bringing test charge from infinite to point P is given by W is equal to integration of dw from infinite to T. From infinite to T. So W is equal to integration infinite to R. Infinite to R. Distance of P from reference point, reference charge Q is R. dw is this negative 1.45 epsilon naught q naught taken 1 by x square. 1 by x square can be written as x minus 2. X minus 2. Right here x minus 2. So this becomes w minus q naught upon 4 by epsilon naught taken. Integration infinite to r x minus 2 dx. X minus 2 dx. So w is equal to take Q0 in left, so W by Q naught minus 1 upon 4 pi Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into integrate this x minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So this is your infinite to infinite. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus plus. So W is the amount of work required to bring test charge Q0 from infinite to point P and Q0 test charge. This ratio is known as electric potential. This ratio is known as electric potential at point P. The amount of work required to bring unit particle charge from infinite to certain point is known as electric potential at that point. So this is your V. V is equal to W by Q naught. Okay. So V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 1 by x r to infinite. So V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q 1 by r minus 1 by infinite. So 1 by infinite is 0. 1 by infinite is 0. So V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. So this is the electric potential due to expression for electric potential. This is the expression for electric potential due to a point charge at distance r from the point charge. This is the expression for electric potential due to a point charge at distance r. Now, so this potential is directly proportional to charge. This potential is directly proportional to magnitude of charge, and inversely proportional to distance. Inversely proportional to distance means if magnitude of charge is more, then electric potential around this at a point close to this will be more. Okay. When you go back from the charge, then this reduces. This potential reduces. The unit for electric potential. Unit of electric potential. Electric potential. So electric potential is the ratio of amount of power required to bring any charge from infinite to certain point to the magnitude of charge. So this is the work. The unit of work is joule and Q0 is coulomb. So unit of electric potential is joule coulomb minus 1. This is known as volt. This is known as volt. The SI unit of electric potential is volt. The SI unit of electric potential is volt. Okay. So this is the SI unit of electric potential. So how general question asked define one volt. So how you define one volt? 1 volt. So V is equal to W by Q. So if W is equal to 1 joule and Q is equal to 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb. Then V is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. So this is 1 joule, coulomb minus 1. This is 1 volt. So 1 volt it defines this mathematical step define 1 volt. This mathematical step define 1 volt. How you define? So this is amount of work. This is amount of work required to bring 1 coulomb charge from infinite to point P. Yeah? And this work is equal to 1. This work is equal to 1. So now we define this mathematical calculation. If amount of work required to bring 1 coulomb positive charge from infinite to certain point is 1 joule. If amount of work required to bring 1 coulomb positive charge from infinite to certain point is 1 joule, then electric potential of that point is said to be 1 volt. Electric potential of that point is said to be 1 volt. Okay. So 1 volt, how will define 1 volt? Amount of work required to bring. If amount of work required to bring 1 coulomb positive charge from infinite to certain point is 1 joule, then electric potential of that point is said to be 1 volt. If you do 2 joule work in bringing 1 coulomb positive charge from infinite to certain point, then electric potential of that point is said to be 2 volt. If you do 3 joule work in bringing 1 coulomb charge from infinite to certain point inside electric field, then electric potential of that point is said to be 3 volt.